Annyeonghaseyo, hello guys, welcome back to our vlog. I am Ara. And I am Yumi and we are the co-sisters for today's vlog. Ayan, it's another day and bagong ganap na naman. Paalis na po ako papuntang school. Ako lang pala mag-isa ngayon guys. I bring sweater pala dyan guys kasi sobrang lamig sa classroom namin. Naka-full ata yung aircon namin sa loob. Sana all. And Yumi also went to school. Today, meron pala nag-visit sa kanila, Philippine National Police. Dahil career profession pala nila, guys. They are showing the gear and skills to the preschooler. They discuss about the safety tips and apply to them in their daily lives. And share valuable information with them. And contribute to their knowledge about law enforcement. Dahil tapos na si Yumi nag-school, sinundo pala siya ni Mami. Dahil mainit daw, they cannot play outside. That's why they are planning to go to SM Clark. Kasama pala nila yung ibang mamis. They have lunch there. Nag-ikot-ikot sila, nag-picture at nag-playground na din. Sobrang liit pala ang playground dito guys. At sakto konti lang ang mga bata, hindi crowded. While nag-wait si Mami kina Yumi, they went to Bunchon para kumain ng Korean bingsu. Dahil sobrang init kasi, kaya naghalo-halo sila. After they play, they plan to go home na. Dahil they need to pick up me, maaga kasi yung uwian ko. Dahil nagutom sila Yumi, they went to buy Auntie Onis. They hug each other and nagbabay na pala sila, ang very good ng mga bata. At nasundo ako ni Mami at sumaglit lang kami sa store namin. Dali-dali kami umuwi kasi nag-invite si tita ko ni mag-swimming. We need to prepare our things pa. At magbibihis na din ng damit. Ayan, at dito na kami sa car. Magpunta kami ng Swiss Hotel sa may Clark, Pampanga. Doon pala kami magsiswimming guys. At kasama pala namin yung family ni Hanul. BFF pala siya guys ni Yumi. After nila mag-check-in, pupunta kami ng room nila at magbihis. At 3:30 p.m. nag-start na kami mag-swimming. Kahit sobrang init di namin ininda. Sobrang ganda kasi dito guys, sulit ang swimming namin. Mayat maya kami lalagay ng sunscreen para di kami magka-sunburn. And we are using swimming hat. At kasama pala namin mag-swimming younger brother ni Hanul at saka si Ate Tiyang. Kami palang ata nag-swimming dito. At yung mga ibang tao na sa loob pa takot ata sa init. Wow, what a nice view. Kahit mainit, mahangin naman. And this pool is in 5th floor pala. Kaso ayaw nila yung tubig kasi malamig. And Hajin is so enjoy. Dahil nagutom ako, kinain ko yung pororo biscuit ko. Gutom sa kakaswimming guys. Matagal kasi dumating yung order namin. Ang pretty naman yung girls nag-swimming. Ligod jud. Bala manigra. Uy! After 48 years, dumating na yung drinks namin at yung food. At meron pala sila free ice cream dito guys. At ang sarap pa. And they made fresh fruits pala. At nakaapat ako na ice cream. Diba hindi halata sa tiyan ko? Busog kaayo ko, uy. Ginom ata mo yung tubig sa pulming. Ayaw sa pati. At wow, sobrang ganda pala dito guys. Ang ganda naman yung view. At ang ganda yung sunset. Sobrang enjoy kami dito sa swimming namin. At nag-slide sa slide kami dito sa upuan. Thank you Hanul and family for inviting us. At bago kami umuwi, nagkain muna kami dito sa Korean restaurant. Mga unta guys, salamat sa pagtanaw. Please like, follow, and share po. That's all guys. Thank you for watching. See you in the next vlog. Bye!